Hello and welcome. Here's my fourth design from the April 2026 Bohem style box. I'm using 30 inches of blue wax thread, a gunmetal T-bar and the rest of the beads that I've got left as I've put the rest of them by for my final project that will be coming up soon. I'm going to make a double wrap bracelet and I suspect I may run out of beads, so I may have to add some from my own stash. Okay, to start, I'm going to add the T-bar just by making a simple knot. I'm using needle nose tweezers throughout. It just helps me be more precise where I want to put my knot. I've decided on a simple pattern of just alternating the beads, and I'm going to knot every third bead. So here's the first three. I did actually do 2 knots. It just secures it a bit more and makes the knot more defined looking. So load 3 more beads on, then I'm going to do a double knot again and load 3 more beads on. And I'm just going to follow this simple process until I run out of these beads. Then I'll see if I need to get some more to extend it to make it fit to be a double wrap bracelet. Whoops, nearly messed that one up. So as I thought, I didn't have enough beads. So I've grabbed some that look similar to what I've got already. These top right ones are just my last few beads I've got from the box, and that's going to form the loop at the end. So I'm going to use these ones, and this is how it looks. So to finish off, I just need to make a loop that the T-bar can fit through. So I've got 5 of the larger ones, 10 of the tiny ones. So I'm just going to load them on, 1 large one, 2 tiny ones, and so on, just like this. So then I'm going to take the end of the wax thread and feed it back through those extra beads I've just added on. I then pull the thread tighter so it brings all the beads back up to my last knot, just here, as I'm going to make another knot just to secure the loop. That's all knotted and secure now. So with this last bit of thread I've got, I'm going to make it look a bit boho by adding this little star bead. I've also just grabbed the last few of these little tiny beads. So I've knotted it off there, and I'm going to cut it about here, and then I'm going to fray, using my tweezers, the last bit of the thread. It just gives it a nice boho feel. And here it is. I really am pleased with this. And I'm glad I added the extra beads to make it a double wrap. I hope you like it too. If you are enjoying these designs from this box, please look for the link in the description. I hope to see you next time for my final design. I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed, and thank you for watching.